Welcome to Arc's Digital Training. In this video, I am going to show you how to make use of left function and how to make use of right function, and then we will see how to use mid function, which we have already seen in our previous video. So first of all, if I wanted to retrieve something from the left side of a string, then I am going to use left function. So I wanted to retrieve citi from this particular string. So what I wanted to retrieve, I wanted to retrieve 4 characters from the left side. So in that case, I will use left function, left, and then see here text is one parameter, and then how many total number of characters I want, that is what I am going to use, and then I can retrieve city. And if you look at the next string 1 2 3 4 5 6, I wanted to retrieve. So if I wanted to do the 1 2 3 I wanted to retrieve only the numeric part of that particular string, then what I am going to do, I am going to use a right function, right, and then select this particular string, and then from the right side I have 6 characters, and then close it. Automatically you will see the first 6 right side 6 characters. So the same thing you can do with mid function also. So whatever you have done using left and right, you can do with mid function. If I wanted to do with mid function, see here, so mid, I can select this particular string, and then what is the text there and starting position. Say for example, I wanted to retrieve only city. I know my first position will be, starting position will be 1, and total number of characters are 4. So this way I can retrieve city using mid function also. Similarly, if I wanted to do the same thing for right part, how do I do it? Use mid function, and then select this particular string, and then comma, starting position will be 5th because I want to retrieve the numeric part 5th, and then total number of characters from the 6th position, total number of characters 6, and if I enter, automatically I will be able to do that. See here, you can make use of either left function or right function, and then city, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters using mid function also. You can think of, if you do not know the total number of characters in that particular string, how can I make use of this mid function to retrieve that particular value? Just think of it. We will see it in the next video. Thank you for watching.